One of the flagship features of the EzyCourse platform is, of course, the courses feature. Very, very powerful indeed. Let's have a look at it. So on this site here, there's a number of courses already created. I'll have a look at this one here, Mastering Collaboration. I'll click on Edit. Now, when you build a course on the EzyCourse platform, you divide everything into chapters, and within each chapter are lessons. So as you can see here, this course has 4 chapters, module 1, 2, 3, and 4, and a number of lessons in each. I can go ahead and create a new lesson in this chapter, and you see there's lots of different styles of lessons I can have. I can use video, text, PowerPoint, PDF documents, audio, quizzes, surveys, assignments. I can have downloadable resources. I can embed live interactive sessions. I can embed HTML, use SCORM compliant files, and I can use a multiple option, which allows me to use a combination of all of those. So lots of options when it comes to creating lessons. If I look at this video type, for example, I give it a lesson name, I choose my video, put in the description just here. I like this feature at the bottom. I can enable a motivational pop-up. So you can turn on pop-up messages that appear when people have completed particular lessons or chapters, and that's just, you know, a nice little touch to keep people motivated. There's always settings down the side here as well. So for a video, I can actually make this a free preview lesson, which means people can watch the video before they've even purchased the course. A nice way of giving them a sneak behind the curtain in terms of what they're going to be buying. You can also make content downloadable on the web and in the app. You can turn on and off discussions to allow users to comment and discuss in different lessons and chapters. On a video lesson, you can also set the amount of the video they've got to watch before the lesson is considered to be complete. Lots of settings for the course. The basic info of adding in course images and course descriptions. These are things that appear on your sales page when people are looking to buy your courses. On the landing page option here, you can, for example, turn off the number of students that are enrolled so that people can't see how many are on the course. You can even create your own custom landing pages as well. Lots of different things that you can do here. Now, the drip feed tab is really useful. Maybe you've got a course that you're still creating. Maybe you've got a little bit of it made already, but you haven't got the entire thing created. Well, that shouldn't stop you selling the course. You can actually sell it today. Let people have access to the first couple of chapters as soon as they buy the course, and then have future chapters released on specific dates in the future. This allows you to sell your course today and then just have that rolling development of the rest of the course content. You might also want to drip feed content out every week. You might have a 7-week program and you want new content to be available to people each week. You can do all that sort of thing with the EzyCourse platform. And then pricing, lots of options available in terms of pricing your course. You can use any one of these or mix and match them to suit your business case. So you can charge a one-off standard payment. You can have a payment plan where payments are split over a number of installments. You can have subscription plans. You can have tiered pricing, which means that you can give a discounts for the more of a course people buy. Maybe they want to buy for a team of people. And you can even have a donation plan as well, where people can give what they can afford to buy whatever it is you're selling. Now, when you go to create a course, you can create a single course on EzyCourse. You can also put single courses into bundles as well. So let's say you've got a number of courses on a particular topic. You want to sell those as a bundle, either as a one-off payment, subscription, whatever price you want to do. Or you can bundle those together kind of as one product with lots of courses inside it that you can sell to people in that way. So the courses feature of the EzyCourse platform, very, very powerful indeed. And watch out for other courses that allow you to go into more detail about how to really craft the perfect online course for your business.